Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I would like to show you a simple beautiful hand embroidery flower and birds. So for that I am using two colors of thread. So first one is a green in color, that is anchor thread, and its number code is 0204. And the second one is the beautiful color combination of colors with the green, yellow, pink, purple, different colors mix. So its number code that also in anchor thread, and its number code is about 1335. So he will start the stitch right now itself. So before doing the flowers, first we will go through the stem. For doing the easy stem, we are using the couching stitch. For couching stitch, it is very easy. First we should give a long straight stitch, so in between we should give a small tuck that we are seeing here now. So based on the length of the stem, we are dividing it in a small portion, and we are giving a small stitches in between to secure the straight stitch in the point. So this is a couching stitch. So here I am using this couching stitch for the all stems, including the leaves base, buds bases and all. We are using the same couching stitch here. Here the embroidery thread I am using is the 6 strands. Next we'll go to the leaf of the design. For that I'm using the symbol fly stitch. So it's very, I think all are very familiar. So here we are using in the same 6 strands of thread. First we will do a straight stitch. After that we will give the one stitch at the side. You should put prick from under the fabric upside, go to the opposite side and prick it down, and the third prick from the center of the left and right stitch, and it should come down. We should move it back to secure the same stitch. So this one we are repeating here without giving a little space. Next we'll go for the flower embroidery. For that I am using the mixed color thread, anchor thread. Its number is 1335, and I am using the 6 strands of thread. Because of it is a mixed color, I am using the single line. I am not folding the thread. For doing the here the flower is made with a herringbone stitch. For that we should prick the thread, and needle under the fabric should go upside, And here in this pattern you can see the petals two side. So first we should go the one side, right or left. So you should pick it a little down, pick it down, and we should come back to the opposite side. We should pick upside, go a little front and come down. So we should do the same thing repeatedly, and we will see the crossed forms of embroidery. So using this herringbone or cross stitch, we are filling the this 4 5 petals of this flower. Next, we'll go to the bud portion. For that, I am inserting a needle. This is a paper needle. We are positioned like this, and we are inserting the needle from down to up, surrounding the needle. Based on the size of the bud, we are rotating the wrapping the thread around the needle. After that, we are finding the center of it, we are pushing it down, go up, and we are securing the base and top side of the portion of this needle and secure it. This is the bud I am doing here. So the same procedure, this loop flower procedure, that I am doing the same the remaining buds also. you enjoyed the video, if you enjoy the video, please give me a like. Please subscribe, share and support my channel. Thank you for your watching. Have a good day.